All right, welcome. This is Eye4ALL talking about a somewhat new project. I'm building a website called DanceHub for a friend. And while I'm not going to show you how I'm building it because this is his website, I do want to show what I've done so far. So I've done it a little bit differently, the login. So basically, you can see anything without logging in, right? Right now, I'm a user without a password, so this ain't got to be saved anywhere, right? If you click log out, it goes away, nothing's there. So let's go ahead and put in John's password here. All right, there's just some random pictures that I put in here. And what's different about this one versus Eye4ALL so far, I'm going to change Eye4ALL to be more like this, but I discovered the auto binding, which means you can just change the tags and it automatically updates to the database. And so if I go to view my profile, oh, so I also have a confirmation checker now. I haven't added to my own site, but I wanted to put it on his early on. So if you can't verify your email, then this is going to annoy you every time. Please check your email and verify before continuing to use this site. And so this the way I'm doing the pictures here is also how I'm going to change my personal profile page on Eye4ALL. Interesting stuff here. So all that stuff that was boxes are now disabled, so you can see what kind of dance person this is. And oh, I need to change this as well so that it is not editable by anybody who visits the page. So that's something to do. Now, another cool feature of this site, if you try to upload the same picture, it's not going to work. Right? If I try to do this cute orange and blue painted angel, give it a second to load, add it, it's not going to show up. Again, that's a cool feature. And that's actually about it. This little hexagon here goes back to this page. And ultimately what we're going to do is have the sets of teachers, sets of students, sets of studios, sets of classes, dances, and custom lessons. And the big idea is that you can find, if you're a teacher, you can find students. If you're a student, you can find teachers. You can request lessons. You can create custom lessons and then make offers, which they then accept or reject. You can show your available schedules and whatnot. And so the whole goal here is to basically connect appropriate dance students with dance teachers and places. The dances section is going to be basically articles about every dance that exists. What else? None of these actually work, but it was fun making these hexagons. Took a couple of attempts before I finally figured out a way to do it. Anything else I want to show? I think that's probably it. Oh, this area. This little collapsibles here, right? Depending on if they're a teacher or student. You could be both a teacher and student. Maybe you want to learn one dance, but you teach another dance. It could be a venue, it could be a location, right? The dance styles, there's social styles and competitive styles, right? For the social styles, we typically have Latin dances like salsa, bachata, zouk, and a lot of others. Swing dances, a lot of different types, balboa, shag, lindy, East Coast, West Coast, milongas, the tango dance styles. And the competitive styles are either American styles, and then there's going to be further subtopics. For American, there's American smooth and American rhythm. For international, there's standard, which is the equivalent of smooth, and there is Latin, which is the equivalent of rhythm. So that's about it for now. Just wanted to show another thing I'm working on. And this one, I think I relaunched this one 4 or 5 times before I decided to stop restarting. I'm liking the UI. Probably going to change the background to a slightly brighter color, but keep this middle one the same blue, or vice versa. All right, that's all for now.